Is the starting capital very important in trading? Is it possible to multiply it by 10 times in just one trading session with only $1,000? Don't believe me? Give me just 5 minutes and I'll prove you wrong. Today, our starting capital will be $1,000 and our task will be to make $10,000. Let's start setting up our Autobot, choose the desired currency pair, expiration time, and of course the transaction amounts. We will work at maximum rates. And while I was telling you how to set up our Autobot, we already received our first profit thanks to the Autobot. Today, the Autobot has a task to make our trading session with maximum profit. And let's see if it will be able to show the result. While everything is going as usual, the Autobot is trading and we are confidently and accurately making a profit. We want to remind you, friends, that the Autobot is completely free and you can get it by simply following the link in the description. Start earning with the Autobot today. The first unsuccessful deal from the Autobot. Let's see how it will get out of this situation and whether it will be able to return our lost funds. The deal was closed in a refund. Let's speed up the video a little, and you will watch live how the Autobot trades, and we will return to you as soon as the bot gives the result.
On the track.
Wow! How do you like the result, friends? It hasn't even been 3 minutes since our balance has already exceeded $5,000. Yes, we started a trading session for the entire amount. And not just like that, friends, the Autobot has the highest percentage of passability on the market. You will not find even a closely similar bot. And you can see for yourself by using the free test version at the link in the description. And we continue to watch how the Autobot increases our balance. And again, a successful deal from an Autobot. Let's speed up the video a little again. And you watch in dynamics how the bot trades for us.
On the track.
You may have noticed that the bot both caught the minuses and worked with catch-ups, returning our lost funds and bringing our balance to plus. Despite the unstable market, the bot adapts to this trading session and still brings us profit. It's just unbelievable, friends. It took our Autobot 5 minutes to make $1,000 to $10,000. Do you want the same? Just follow the link in the description and test everything yourself. We fully guarantee you the result from the very first trading session. Share in the comments what ideas for the next videos you want to see on our YouTube channel. Finance TradeBot, more than trading.